French cut.
Yeah.
Jazz.
So this is a Wagwan Descendant family. This is your girl Trisha, and of course, welcome back to the channel. Jamaican this, Jamaican that. You want to know how Jamaican chat? Well, today we are going to be looking at the patoi name for clothing, different pieces of clothing. And today, as you can see, the environment is different. I am actually at a corner shop right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yes, so we're going outdoors today. Come on, guys, comment down below and say outdoors. Yes, and we're going to be talking to the bartender slash shopkeeper. So you're going to be learning from him today what are the names of some different pieces of clothes that we wear in Jamaican patoi. Comment below and say patoi. Alright, so come let the people see you. Come let the people see you. Alright, guys, so here it is. When you hear cocker crowing at the background, tell the people what is your name and such a likes.
Oh, my name is Junior, then call me Junior Bean.
Mr. Bean in the place. Alright, so you ready?
Long time.
Alright, so in this bag, I have some items of clothing, right? And I'm going to take them out one by one, and you are going to tell me what we call them in patoi. Alright, so let's go. So the first thing that we're taking out is a dress.
And we call it frock.
So in Jamaica we say
Frock.
frock. Alright.
Frock.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are going to the next piece of clothes now. This is a shirt. Shirt. What do we call shirt in Jamaica? Part of a shirt.
In Jamaica we call it short.
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 Put on your short.
Put on your short. Yeah.
Alright,
Put on your
guys.
short.
So comment below, guys. Did you know that we actually call this short? So we shorten it and we don't say shirt.
Short.
Moving on. Right here I have an underwear or a panty. What do we call it in Jamaica? Jamaican patoi for panty.
We call panty drawers.
Drawers. Or if it's small, we say French cut.
French cut.
Yeah.
Drawers.
So this is a drawers. Comment below and let me know where you are watching from. Let me know if you're enjoying the content. So me just put the drawers over there. So alright. So here we have a shorts. It is very short. So when it is very short, what do we call it?
We still call it shorts still.
We say shorts.
Short.
Shorts. Or batty rider.
Batty rider.
Does this look like a batty rider?
Yes, because it up on the batty top.
This and that family.
It up on the batty top.
This and that family. So this is a shorts.
You call it batty rider.
Or a batty rider. Oh, me I try to get the lighting right, you know. Alright. How is he doing so far, guys? Comment below and tell me if you think he is doing well. Alright, so the next one now. No, sir, no one leave. One left in our bag right now. This. So this is a t-shirt. Right? No, this a man. Man, this is for a man. So what we call t-shirt?
T-shirt, we still call it shirt.
Shirt. Or we call it ganzi.
Yes, or short.
Yeah, or short. So one of the words that we would say, pass me the ganzi.
Yeah, pass me a ganzi shirt.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, Jamaica is one of the most colorful cultures, you know. We colorful bad. The way how we talk, the way how we walk, the way how we sing, everything about we colorful. Not true, Mr. Bean?
Exactly.
Alright, so the next one now. This is actually a pants, a jeans pants, but we have a special name where we call most pants in Jamaica.
Most pants.
Yeah. You don't know what they call pants?
No, what you call it? Tell me what you call
Me
it.
wouldn't call it trousers. Or trousers.
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 Pass me trousers, give me.
Pass me trousers there. Let me put on my trousers.
Pass me trousers.
Right, so pants is trousers. I hope you guys are learning, you know, because if you're visiting Jamaica, you must learn the Jamaican patoi. Okay, so he has on a marina. What do we call our marina? What we call it in Jamaica?
Call the original Marina.
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 Right, so you might know it as merino, but we call it marina. You know, so the lighting not so good. Right, so we call it marina. So listen, next time you come to Jamaica, you will at least know the names of the things that we wear, and we could do some more, you know. We could do some more. But for today, that's all that we are doing. I want you to comment below and tell me, where are you watching from? Are you learning the Jamaican patoi? Well, I know it's about me. Comment below and say, me come from, and write where you are from, because me come from
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Jamaica. What you saying?
Yes. Me name Trisha.
My name Jonah Bean.
Right, so I want you to comment below and say me name and tell me what your name is. Guys, it's always so beautiful hanging out with you. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Junior, for being a part of this episode. Jamaican.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, man. It's all about Jamaica, you know?
Jamaican. This.
Jamaica.
That. We want to know our Jamaican chat. Bye for now, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course leave a comment for more amazing videos.
Yeah, we're going to Trisha, man. There. I'm gone.
Alright, you're gone. Alright, go long. Me went there.
There.
My God, me love uno. Me love uno. Uno nice. Uno sweet. I love you guys. You are nice and you are sweet. See you in the next video. Mwah.